Hey everyone, welcome back to my page. Thanks for joining me for my live today, and if you're not here for the live, by all means watch the replay. I am going to do a walkthrough of the design team project that I just finished for the Happy Handicrafter, and I used the folio kit called Stamped and Send, and also the other pieces that went with the Stamped and Send kit. So there was a few different stamped and set kits that were put together. So I used a few pieces of parts from bits and pieces of them. So here's my folio. I kept it very, very flat this time, without a whole lot of extra bulky embellishments, just that it actually could get thrown into somebody's purse that they could, or bag that they could take with them and actually take notes as they are traveling with this one. So the front cover has the closure with a string and a little charm attached to the string. And then there's the cover. This is all part of the kit as well. So again, it's flat just so that it can literally be stuck into somebody's bag and taken with them when they're on their trip, so they can record special moments as they happen. So I will unwrap. I'm trying a new thing with my camera today. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but we're going to find out. I think I'm on screen in frame. So anyway, so I'm going to open it up. And this has got lots of writing spaces in it, but not a lot of the extra heavy embellishments, so that it can actually be taken somewhere. So there's a little top pocket on top. There's a little pocket here, a tuck spot here, and a pocket here. So this is part of the kit as well. All of this is part of the kit. The only thing I added was my own stamps. I didn't use the stamps from the kit, as I probably have thousands of my own. So I used my own stamps, and I used a few little embellishments and stuff, but mostly everything in here is from the kit. So a little envelope made from the kit with a bunch of little bits and pieces that you can write special notes and moments on. So there's that piece. Then this little pocket down here has a little passport that's stapled with some other pieces from the kits in it, with some writing spots that you can take notes as well there. And then a interactive piece that's done together with a brad. And it's just, you can just flip it open and you can write on the front and the back of all of the pieces that are in it. And there's 4 sheets in this one. And I attached 2 of them upside down. So I will reprint those 2 and put them back in the right way. Or maybe just leave it quirky and cover the part up and add something else to the top. That's probably what I'll do. This is up right side up. These ones are right upside down. So I probably will just cover this with something and then add other stamps or stickers or something on it. Other pieces from the kit. So there is that little pocket. And then this pocket has got, these are all pieces from the kit itself. And then this is a wax seal that my daughter and I had made over the weekend, or a week ago, or whatever it was. So there's a little tuck spot with a tag in it that you can ample writing space on the front here and in the back as well. And then you have in this pocket here a open out journaling spot. And this is, again, my own stamps that I had, because I have so many. This was from, not even sure where I got that piece from, but that just worked well with it. So there's that in it as well, and then another large journaling spot that you can write all over the back. You can write in here. You could even put sticker notes on here that are hidden by this tag. So there's ample writing space in it, and there is a lot of little nooks and crannies and things that you can write and keep notes on. I just thought that keeping it flat for this one might be a good plan, that it can actually go on a trip with somebody in their bag and be used as those special moments happen. So there is my first design team project for the Happy Handicrafter. Stay tuned for the wing and pedal kit that I was working with earlier with the accordion folder. That will be revealed closer to the end of the month, as it is a much larger project than this one was. So keep an eye out for the sneak peeks for that project as well, and I will see you again. I am back live with Robin McGreen from Rockin' Robin's Creative Corner on Friday. We have a graduation coming up this week, so we've got some pretty special things happening at my house too. Okay, anyway, have a great day, everybody. Bye.